my channel. Today I'm doing a video on my phone because I just couldn't get this angle since this planner is super big and I wanted a nice low down view for you guys and I just couldn't get that, so bear with me. Today we'll be doing a phone video. I'm sure the phone video is not that bad, but it doesn't have my super professional Rode mic, which sucks, but other than that I think we can use this. So I'm excited to be doing this video because there'll also be a giveaway. So make sure you head to my Instagram for that giveaway. And other than that, we're gonna get straight into this video. And yeah. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. I do a lot of beauty, fashion, lifestyles, such as these planner videos. So if you love any of that or all of that, make sure you're subscribed. And let's get in. So I'm so excited for Erin Condren's team to send me these beautiful things. This is a starter kit, so you will definitely win one of these on my Instagram account, so make sure to find that link down below. I also have a $10 coupon code for you, or referral code, so I will also link that down below just in case you're interested in purchasing. And other than that, I'm going to start with the little things, and then the last thing I'll talk about is obviously the hardbound life planner. So the first thing we have here is a magnetic page marker. This one is in like a tealy mint color, which is really, really pretty. I assume this is $3 since it says $3. This is super nice. I always love any types of bookmarks to use to kind of like capture your page, and it's easy to go back to whenever you need. So that's really, really pretty. The next thing I have is this. This is actually something I'm super excited for. These are, I guess, they're called tab sticky notes. There is 3 pads here, so there's 3 colors. This one's a little smaller, and then there's 2 that are note pages. So I'm going to open them up so you can see. So here's how they look. They are nice and tabbed, which I love, and they're different colors, so that's really nice. Next thing I have are these. These are Erin Condren's colorful dual tip markers. We have a bunch of different colors here. They're all pastel-y colors and one gray. So they're dual tip. So the first side has a more thicker side, and then the other side is a thin side. And I believe you can totally write really nice things with these, and I'm really excited to try them. And the next thing I have is this perpetual calendar. This one is in like a nice pink color with some rose gold. It's just a super small notebook, I guess, and it's just for calendar and contacts. So this is how it looks like. And it has January, February, and it's just perpetual, which means it's just a list of the numbers of the year, and then you just go through them just to write down like important dates or something like that. That's what I like to use that for. And then in the back we have some important contacts section here, and then in the very back there is some holidays and dates to remember, and these are all for 2019, I believe. So that is that one. And the next thing that we have is a notebook. So this is super pretty. So the texture of this is like a soft touch. It just feels really smooth. There's a little bit of foil on there, which is really pretty. This one is a dotted grid or dotted notebook, which I love dotted notebooks more than grid. So inside you see this is a really pretty your life is a story, written well and added often. And then we have the dot grid, and these pages are super thick, so they're really good quality. There's like a lot of pages in here. I believe there's like, I don't remember, but there's a lot of pages in here. And then in the back we have note to self, think less, live more, which is really pretty. So now we're gonna go to the most important part of this video, which is our hardbound life book. So I'm gonna leave that here, and I'm going to sit down because I'm trying to see the screen, but I can't see it when I'm sitting, but I will have to for this. So Erin Condren has spiral notebooks, and they also have hardbound. I believe the layouts are pretty similar, so I'm just going to go through it really quick. So this one is the vertical layout one. This is the 8x10, has 176 pages. So let's get in. So this is the front page. So this is how it looks. We have quotes in the front of each section. We have the 2019 year at a glance. I love year at a glances because it's just nice to look at. And then we have some notes on the bottoms, just in case you have some important notes you want to put. You can just put that on the bottom. And then we have this, I believe this is kind of like future planning, forward planning, where you can just list each month in here and just list the important dates. Then we start with January. We have a note section here. We have what you seek is seeking you. And then we go straight to the January monthly spread. So I love how big this planner is, so that your boxes are really big, because I do use smaller planners such as Personal, Pocket, or A6, and they're usually a lot smaller. I'll show you right here. So they're usually a lot smaller, and obviously you can't write as much as you see here, so that's super different, which I kind of like. And there's a notes on this side, and they do also include some important dates in here, so that's super nice to have. And each month is like a different color. So if you see, June is like a green, May is like a yellow, and April is like purple. So that's pretty nice. I believe you can also pick neutral colors, which is pretty much black and white, I believe. I'm not really sure, but you can go check that out online. So this is how it looks like. It's basically the same as a normal Erin Condren spread on a spiral bound book, but just compact into a hardbound, which is really nice. So if for those that don't like writing on spiral, this is really perfect for those for that. So we just have the different days in here. So that's really nice. So we have February, which is more of a pink color. And then it kind of goes all the way to December. So after December, we have some note pages. So there's just a few of these. There's note pages and there's grid pages, which is really nice. And then at the very end, we have the upcoming year. So this is really nice to have. So if you're trying to plan the year after, especially if you have like a wedding or your job is like super prepared, this is always nice to have. So we have the 2020 upcoming in the coming year. And they also have bullet sides for you for that, so it's really nice. And then at the very end, we just have some more really pretty, well put together kind of like quote here. So I really love the paper in here. It's super thick and very high quality, which I like, because a lot of planners might not believe in quality, so even though it's a little cheaper than normal planners, they might not be good quality. So I'm loving that this is good quality. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this for, but I hope I will find a way and I will let you know. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment down below anything you want to see. Make sure to join the giveaway, and I will see you next time. Bye.